I have hundreds of students who have their own online fitness store, including a woman from Florida that will be 105 years old in August 2020. Now, obviously, she's not teaching workout videos. She simply owns a curated online fitness web store. Let me share with you how this works, and you can do this too. Because if a 105-year-old woman could do this with no prior skills, think what you can do. According to Forbes magazine, Entrepreneur magazine, and Business Week, health and fitness niche is one of the top niches that you can basically earn from online. Understand something very important. 27 years ago, the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, was selling books out of his parents' garage and being laughed at by his friend, neighbors, and coworkers. Okay, so let me explain to you that 42% of Jeff Bezos' income, his multi-billion-dollar income, comes exactly from the way that I want to share with you. So I'm going to share something with you that I feel is really cool. Like I said, I've taken the time to curate information here. So you won't find this on Wix, Weebly, GoDaddy, Shopify. You'll have access to one of these domain names. So as an example, you could be stacy.yogaworkouts.club, or you could be yourbrand.onlineyoga.men, or any domain name that you pick here. So these are keyword-rich domain names that you could benefit from. In addition to that, I pulled out all the stops. I have handpicked and curated the best-selling premium themes and plugins for WordPress you have access to. So I'm here to help you every step of the way. I'm going to share with you step by step how this website or a website like this can be built in less than 5 minutes with a blank page. No steps skipped. One step at a time. You don't need to have a technical background. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you absolutely nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So simply go check out my website, watch my free training. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to put you into some endless spam program. That's not what I do. An educated student is my best student because you can make intelligent decisions based on what I teach you. If you take a look at one of my stores, now I have hundreds of niche stores. I have thousands of students that earn online working smart. So this is something called Essential Online Fitness, okay? And then workout videos, etc., etc. Now, where do I get these videos? I curate them from YouTube Working Smart. Here's our deal. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to spam you into some nonsense waste of time webinar. Simply go to my website, click the little link here in the ad that you're watching, and if you do decide to get one of my turnkey systems, you'll get a $50 off coupon at checkout. Simply click the buy now button, and if you decide to do that. Now, I don't want you to worry about buying anything right now. I simply want you to go to my website and share with you free 100% free videos on how this is done, step by step, how to work smart online. So if you're serious about earning online, let's get serious about learning online the right way. I've been teaching online since 1995. I've been teaching marketable skills here in New York City since 1987. I'm here to help you every step of the way for selfish reasons. Because if you're making money, guess what? I'm making money. Thanks again for being here. Go check out my website. Let's roll up our sleeves, have a beverage, and learn how we can earn online through fitness and health with a turnkey website. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive.